In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start Shopify dropshipping with no money. Starting a Shopify dropshipping business can seem like a hefty investment, but did you know you can actually start this journey without spending a dime up front? Stick around because I have some invaluable tips and steps compiled just for you. First things first, head over to the Shopify website. This platform is your golden ticket to entering the e-commerce space without the need for inventory or a significant startup fund. Shopify's user-friendly nature and extensive support for dropshipping businesses make it a top choice for entrepreneurs from all walks of life. Once you're on the Shopify homepage, the next step is to log in. If you don't have an account yet, don't worry. Shopify offers a trial period allowing you to set everything up and get comfortable before committing financially. Once you've clicked on the login button, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Be sure to use an email you have easy access to, as you'll need it for account verification and notifications. After submitting your email, you'll then be asked to create a password. Make sure your password is both secure and memorable. Once that's set, you'll log into your new Shopify account, opening the doors to your future online store. Here's where it gets exciting. Navigate to the My Store section on Shopify. This is essentially your command center. From here, you'll explore the online store segment, which is where the magic happens. Shopify offers a plethora of themes to choose from, and lucky for us, many are completely free. Choosing a theme that aligns with your brand image and product offerings is crucial, as this sets the first impression for your store visitors. After scouting through the themes, go ahead and try one that catches your eye. Remember, your theme can always be changed later, so don't stress too much about making the perfect choice on the first go. With your theme set, it's time to visit the Apps section. Here, Shopify shines with its extensive library of applications to enhance your store, many of which are free and incredibly beginner-friendly. You'll want to click on All Recommended Apps to find tools specifically curated for new store owners. Among these recommendations, you should find the Shopify App Store. This is where you can add dropshipping apps to your store, and yes, there are free options available. These apps allow you to import products directly from suppliers to your store, enabling you to sell without holding any physical inventory yourself. With your store beginning to take shape, it's time to source products. A fantastic and cost-effective place to start is AliExpress. This marketplace is packed with suppliers offering products that can be drop-shipped. You can find suppliers who don't require a minimum order quantity, which means you can list items in your store without any upfront purchase. The next step is where your marketing hat comes on. Google and search for TikTok. Yes, you heard that right. In today's digital age, platforms like TikTok play a significant role in product discovery and brand awareness. By clicking on TikTok and using it as a guest, you can research trending products, gather marketing inspiration, or even start thinking about how to promote your products via engaging content. Remember, the key to a successful dropshipping business on Shopify isn't just about setting up the store, it's about how you bring potential customers to your store and convert them into paying customers. TikTok and other social media platforms can be powerful tools in your marketing arsenal, and there you have it, folks. You've just navigated through the basics of setting up your Shopify dropshipping store without spending any money up front. From choosing a theme to sourcing products and thinking about marketing strategies, you're well on your way to launching a potentially lucrative online business. Remember, the beauty of dropshipping is in its flexibility and scalability. Start small, learn the ropes, and as you begin to generate revenue, reinvest in your business. Whether it's upgrading your theme, investing in paid apps to enhance store functionality, or launching paid marketing campaigns, there's always room to grow. Thanks for watching, and be sure to hit that subscribe button for more insightful tips on starting and scaling your online business. Happy dropshipping,